my butterflies, I hope you all are doing well. As you would have read from the title, this video is all about the products that I got from the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale. So without any further ado, let's get started. ज़्यादातर चीजें जो मैंने इस haul में ली है, they are new stock because I wanted to try some new things, some new makeup, some new skincare, and some of the makeup and skincare are my restock. Video can get a little bit long, so make sure you grab a drink or a snack and be comfortable. Please watch this video till the end because there is going to be a huge giveaway worth rupees 50,000. तो चलो फाइनली स्टार्ट करते हैं. सबसे पहले आई वांट टू स्टार्ट विद दिस बॉक्स जो मैंने बेनिफिट से लिया है, उनका किट विच वॉज ऑन अ वेरी गुड ऑफर. आई गॉट लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 60% ऑफ ऑन दिस एंड लेट मी शो यू. एंड आई गॉट so you get like these 3 products. So you get in this kit this primer, and then you get this bad bad girl mascara, and you get a rose tint. So this is what I got first. See, इसी बॉक्स में एक और चीज निकली है. I got myself this ordinary 30% AHA and BHA peeling solution. मैंने बहुत सुना है इसके बारे में. पहले मैंने एक बार ट्राई किया था बट मुझे वो समझ में नहीं आया था तब, so I stopped using it. But this time I'm going to take it seriously and use it. So next I'm going to start with the body care. So first thing I got in the body care is this parachute का lotion, big dabba. It is their new lotion and it is 72 hour moisturizer with rosehip oil, nourishing serum, and it has got vitamin C. नया माचा का रेंज आया है, वो मुझे इतना पसंद आया, स्पेशली द माचा वन. तो मैंने इसका बॉडी वॉश और क्रीम भी ले लिया है. नेक्स्ट आई हर्ड अ लॉट अबाउट दिस ब्रांड हुला हूप फ्रॉम फॉक्सटेल. तो मैंने इसका शावर जेल और क्रीम भी ले लिया है. आई हैव ऑलरेडी यूज द शावर जेल एंड ट्रस्ट मी इट इज सो गुड. इट इज द मोरक्कन ऑयल वाला जो फ्लेवर है वो मैंने लिया है एंड इट इज नाइस, नॉट वेरी ओवरपावरिंग बट वेरी डिसेंट सी फ्रेग्रेंस है. तो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई द फुल रेंज एंड गिव यू माई रिव्यू. नेक्स्ट इज दिस प्रोडक्ट विच जो मुझे बहुत टाइम से लेना था. आई गॉट माई सेल्फ दिस न्यू डव का बॉडी वॉश एंड इट इज restoring serum with retinol. I've heard that retinol is very good for like if you have any pigmentation or dark scars or something on your skin. तो उसके लिए मैंने ये retinol वाला मंगवाया है. So let's see. So next is this. I got so interested in buying something from this brand. It's a new brand called Illiyun it's a Korean brand. So I was just going through the page and I discovered this. It is their vitamin C body wash for normal to oily skin. So इससे पहले मैं मामा अर्थ का विटामिन सी वाला बॉडी वॉश यूज करती थी. आई यूज टू लव इट थॉरली. बट देन ये वाला मैं आपको बता दूं, मैंने इसको ऑलरेडी स्निफ किया है. अगर ये आपको मिल रहा है सेल पे अभी भी, देयर आर फ्यू डेज फॉर द सेल टू एंड, तो इसको फटाफट ग्रैब कर लीजिए बिकॉज I can bet it is damn good and you will love it. So I recently reviewed on my channel the new Blum body mist and I realized that I missed one, and this is called Tropic of Discussion. This one is out and out coconut fragrance. If you only like coconut fragrances, then you can definitely try this one. So starting with the skincare, सबसे पहले I restocked my favorite cleanser from the brand Hyphen, and this is their rice water brightening cleanser. It is so good. Already finished 2 bottles of this and this is my 3rd restock, and within 1 week it gives immediate brightening effect and I absolutely love this. Got the Nykaa new gel Hydra plum cream, and this is also their new launch, and this is how it looks. It's a beautiful blue bottle, glass bottle, and the texture as you can see is very runny and थोड़ा सा fragrance भी है, and honestly it feels very soft and nice. You can see थोड़ा सा हल्का सा ग्रीसी है, मतलब ग्रीसी नहीं बट थोड़ा सा ज्यादा ही हल्का सा मुझे लग रहा है ये ओवर मॉइस्चराइजिंग हो सकता है. लाइट वेट तो नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. But yeah, I'm going to try this and review in some of my videos. I got myself this new serum from L'Oreal. It's their oil control night replumping serum with hyaluron acid and salicylic acid. So अभी मैंने इसका छोटा ही size मंगाया है. So if I like it, I'm going to buy a bigger size. Another serum I got is from this brand, Equal Berry. Very nice looking serum. So I was very excited. I think they have a blue one, they have a green one, and they have a pink one. But I picked up the green one, which is having aloe, cica, artemisia and ceramides. So इसका bottle मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ, बहुत 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 प्यारा है, and I'm really excited to try this honestly. So this is how it looks, so cute. So इसमें aloe vera है और cica है, which works very well if you have an acne prone or oily skin. So I picked up this one, but they have more variants, so if you want, you can definitely check this out. Next, I have realized that it's very, very important to include retinol in my skincare routine. So finally, I have got this viral, retinol shot tightening booster from the brand Celimax. I'm sure a lot of you people have, sorry. I'm sure a lot of you have seen this, rave about this. So मैं भी इसको try करना चाहती हूँ और देखना चाहती हूँ इसके क्या results हैं. So yeah. Next, I got this Conscious Chemist का Blackhead melting water. का मैंने वीडियो देखा था इंस्टाग्राम में that it really helps. It's like a melting, water. It looks something like this, and you just take it and pour it all over your blackheads or wherever you have whiteheads, etc. तो फटाफट से ये decongestion कर देता है, निकाल देता है. So yeah, I got this. So moving forward, I also got myself this L'Oreal Glycolic Bright Exfoliant Peel. This is just peel, right? This time I have ordered a lot many peels and AHA, BHA in my routine because I've told that I want to like really take care of my skin. So that's why so many of such similar products that you're finding. तो मैं सबको review करूँगी और definitely I'm going to tell you which one is the best of all. Next in mask, I got myself 2 new viral masks. The first is this watermelon ice sponge clay mask, which is all over the internet. So I'm really excited to try this. And next, because I have oily skin, acne prone skin, तो मैंने ये लिया है from the brand Earth Rhythm, and this is their matcha detox and brightening face mask. This my skin gets more oily and acne prone during the summer, so I think this kind of detox mask will be very helpful. Of course, I had to restock my favorite serum from Hyphen, which is their double shot Radiance Lift Serum. But this one is not for me, for you guys. So as I mentioned in the beginning of my video that there is going to be a giveaway, and this time there are not 1, 2, but 3 giveaways for rupees 5,000 each, curated by me with love. All the details of which hamper will have what products will be mentioned categorically this time on my Instagram account, and also the winner will be announced on 1st of June on Instagram itself. So the rules to win the giveaway is very simple. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave a comment, follow me on Instagram and DM on my Instagram handle which hamper would you like to have and why. And make sure you comment both on my YouTube and my DM so that I know who you are and accordingly I can assign the hamper. Do participate, guys. It's a hamper worth fighting for, so please do participate. Okay, moving on with more skincare products. I ordered the new sunscreen from Hyphen, which is their new cooling sunscreen. इससे पहले मैंने इनके जो दूसरा वाला sunscreen है वो भी use किया था, मुझे वो पसंद आया. Let me know, guys, if you want me to do a dedicated video of the products for Hyphen and rate it for you guys, because I have a good collection on the Hyphen products now, so I can do that for you. Let me know in the comment sections. So this is their fluid cooling sunscreen. So ये मैंने मंगाया है एक sunscreen. Of course I had to get. If you are talking about sunscreen, you have to buy this. This is their Wish Care Oil Balancing Fluid Sunscreen. पता नहीं, मैं I think 2-3 तो मैं ये खत्म कर चुकी हूँ. It is damn good यार. अगर आपको एक affordable sunscreen चाहिए तो high recommendation. कुछ 3-4 सॉरी गाइज, मैंने 3-4 मैंने सनस्क्रीन्स मंगाए हैं बिकॉज मुझे ट्राई भी करने थे और कुछ रीस्टॉक भी करने थे जो मुझे पता ही है वो अच्छे हैं, तो मैंने ये भी मंगा लिया. ये अच्छे डिस्काउंट पे मिल रहा था. ये मैंने इसलिए भी मंगाया बिकॉज ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा मुझे. इसमें जो है वो है इट हैज कुशन जेल एंड इट हैज ड्रैगन फ्रूट बाउंस सनस्क्रीन. मैं इसको खोल ही लेती हूँ. सो ड्रैगन फ्रूट देख के, ड्रैगन फ्रूट इज माई फेवरेट फ्रूट बाय द वे, तो ड्रैगन फ्रूट देख के मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा. एंड दिस इज हाउ इज द पैकेजिंग. स्लीक पैकेजिंग जैसी डॉट एंड की होती है. लेट्स सी द टेक्सचर. ओह, इट हैज अ, मतलब ये टेक्सचर एक ही जगह पे सेट हो गया. मतलब इट्स नॉट फ्लूइड और एनीथिंग, बट इट हैज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ फ्रेग्रेंस. but it's very like soft, you know, very like lightweight I would say. फ्लूइड तो नहीं है, जैसे विश केयर का तो डालते ही बिल्कुल ऐसे ऐसे फ्लूइड फॉर्म होता है, बट दिस इज लिटिल लाइक बाउंसी जिसे बोलते हैं ना, हाँ वही बाउंसी ही हो रहा है और काफी अच्छी लग रही है, मुझे प्रॉमिसिंग लग रहा है प्रोडक्ट, तो मैं बताऊंगी जल्दी इसका रिव्यू. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम सनस्क्रीन आई लव लेयरिंग माई सनस्क्रीन, तो उसके लिए मैंने ये 2 सनस्क्रीन मिस्ट मंगाए हैं. ये वाला मैं ऑलरेडी यूज कर चुकी हूँ, मतलब ट्राई टेस्ट कर चुकी हूँ, तो मुझे मैं बताऊंगी बाद में. तो दिस इज फ्रॉम इनसाइट and this is a sunscreen spray, तो मैं इसका रिव्यू जल्दी आपको दूंगी. And the other one that I am not yet used and I'm really excited is the Aloe cooling sunscreen spray from Earth Rhythm, and this one is also, oh look at the packaging, it's so cute. You can actually put it on your bag. अगर आप definitely if you are going for summer vacation, this is very good. It comes in a spray form. Issue with the, definitely some issue with the pump. यार ये मेरे साथ सी, ये एक रिव्यू तो हो ही गया. I don't know, the product doesn't seem to be coming out. Yes, seriously यार, don't buy this guys, don't buy this. I think कुछ तो बहुत issue है. The product is just not coming out. Don't recommend. पैसे waste. Next I have ordered some tools to make my life easier. So I don't know if you have heard about this brand, मैंने इसका वीडियो भी बनाया था. So it's called Feel Good Club and they have amazing personal care products at such affordable rates. 80 rupees, 90 rupees की products and they are so good. तो सबसे पहले मैंने लिया है ये ऑयल, comb oil bottle. इससे पहले मैं इंदुलेखा का यूज करती थी, but I got bored of it. अभी थोड़ा फैंसी लिया मैंने. So I got this. You just put oil and then everybody knows the drill. So yeah, I got a smoothing brush which really helps in removing the frizz and थोड़ा सा bounce देने के लिए बालों में. So I got this brush. I'll show you. ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है and the color is so cute. So next I got is this. This is basically a hair brush cleaner. So मेरे बालों में ऐसे, मतलब मेरे ब्रश में थोड़ा सा बाल आ जाते हैं बिकॉज मेरा थोड़ा हेयर फॉल भी होता है. सो आई गॉट दिस वेरी हाइजीनिक थिंग जिससे आप ब्रश को क्लीन कर सकते हैं. एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू कीप क्लीनिंग योर ब्रश एटलीस्ट वंस अ वीक, बिकॉज जो भी आपका ऑयल बिल्डअप होता है या कुछ भी होता है आपके ब्रश में ही जाता है. सो या, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड द लास्ट थिंग इज बेसिकली दिस ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली सेट ऑफ 2 बॉटल्स. एंड आई डिडंट लाइक द कलर दो, मुझे लगा पिंक आएगा बट ब्लू आया है. Anyways, so this one I have got to fill up my shampoo or conditioner, and this one is basically just to have rose mist or something, you know, to spray on your face. So yeah, this is also a travel friendly product. Next, I got myself this Braun ka face razor because मेरा पुराना वाला खराब हो गया था, so I restocked this. And Nykaa Cosmetics have launched press on nails, so I got 1 set of press on nails, although I feel they are little expensive. One set costs for rupees 5.99, but let's try it. Then last thing in tools, I got set of 2 brushes. First is this face and eye brush set from Nykaa Cosmetics, and I really like the look and design of this, so I got to try this. Next is this one, which I'm really excited. It's a 4-in-1 pack ka brush and it's quite viral as well. So basically it's like a very travel friendly 4-in-1 brush. So it's a very travel friendly sort of a brush. You get this main brush which is the foundation brush, और इसके साथ ही आपको ये 4 brushes और मिल जाते हैं for your eyeshadow and contouring and everything. So for travel I think this is the best choice. And the last segment is my favorite and your also favorite category, which is makeup. So the first thing in makeup, I got the new Sis Beauty stroke cream, and this stroke cream in the shade, I think it's the shade, yeah, the shade is Pink Twilight. And look at the packaging, it looks so pretty. मैंने इनका पिंक वाला ट्राई किया है, that's very good, and I just wanted to try another shade, so I got this one. Elf was on a BOGO offer, so I finally got my hands on the Power Grip Primer, and मैंने बहुत सुना इसके बारे में, so I'm really excited to try this. And I also got a lip liner which is always out of stock. It's called Espresso Martini. Next I got the Cheap Thrills palette from Morphe in the shade After Party Nude Rose, and let me show you the packaging. This is how it looks, so pretty. And you get, इस पे ऐसा M लिखा हुआ है, which signifies Morphe. And then this is the palette. So you get a blush. It's very similar to the Patrick Ta blushes. So yeah, I got this neutral shade because I did not have this in my collection, and I think you can try this shade if you want something in a very nude and very like bronzy kind of look. Then you can definitely try this shade. It's another lip liner, and next is another lip liner, and this is from the Nykaa Cosmetics. It's their new lip liner called Chai, I think. Yeah, it's Chai. और ये शेड मेरे को ऑलरेडी मेरे पास लिपस्टिक में, मैं ऑलरेडी बहुत टाइम से लगा रही हूँ इन द बुलेट, इन द लिक्विड फॉर्म, एंड आई फाइनली गॉट उसका लिप लाइनर. सो आई जस्ट स्वॉच इट फॉर यू गाइस. सो दिस इज द शेड. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस वार्म ब्राउन शेड एंड which will suit most of the skin tones. Next is this lipstick, which is new launch from Lakme. It's called the Tattoo Lipstick, and I've got the shade Totally Top. And ये कुछ color coded ऐसा packaging है, and it opens actually like this. This is the bullet, and this is the shade. So very pretty. थोड़ा सा मुझे dry लग रहा है ये, but I think with the lip balm it might work better. Next are these 3 lip liners by Inside Cosmetics, which they have newly launched. तो ये मैं आपको अभी नहीं दिखाऊंगी. मे बी 1 शेड आई विल शो, बिकॉज मैंने इसके 2-3 और शेड लिए हैं. सो आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ प्रॉपर सेपरेट शॉर्ट्स वीडियो ऑन दिस, बट आई विल शो यू 1 शेड विच इज माई फेवरेट. It's called Rustic Rose. How is the packaging? It's very nice and matte sort of a packaging, and you get this much product, and see the shades. So this one is Rustic Brown. It's a very nice warm toned brown shade, and it only retails for 170 rupees, and I can say from the first impression that it's quite creamy and very pigmented. Next is this 3D plumping lip gloss from Few. I don't know how to pronounce it. Few, whatever, but it's a Korean brand, and I absolutely fall in love with the packaging. It's so pretty, and this is how the wand looks, and oh wow, it's so pretty, very juicy. This is the shade, very pretty. Next I got this concealer in the shade number 7P, और आज मैंने यही लगाया है. Honestly, this is a very good concealer. It's very creamy, it doesn't dry out, doesn't crease, and gives a very nice effect. And it comes with its inbuilt brush, which is another plus, because फिर आप आराम से उसको एक ही प्रोडक्ट में आप ब्रश भी मिल जाता है, तो आप उसको अच्छे से यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड आई हाईली रिकमेंड दिस. नेक्स्ट आई गॉट दिस NYX का फैट ऑयल. इसमें मेरे पास एक बहुत टाइम से पिंक कलर का था, जो ऑलमोस्ट मैंने खत्म कर दिया है, एंड आई गॉट दिस वन, दिस शेड नाउ. इट्स कॉल्ड स्क्रोलिंग. अगर आपको एक लिप ऑयल लेना हो ना, तो बस यही लेना, बिकॉज इट्स डैम गुड. लुक एट द एप्लीकेटर, इट्स सो थिक, और ये इतना बढ़िया है ना. लाइक लुक एट दिस कलर, इज ऑल्सो वेरी प्रिटी. यू कैन सी वेरी अर्दी ब्राउन कलर, और इसका पिंक शेड मैंने यूज किया है पूरा का पूरा. ये बहुत अच्छा लिप ऑयल है, बहुत नरिश करता है, बहुत अच्छा टिंट देता है, जो बहुत टाइम तक रहता है. सो अनदर वेरी हाई रिकमेंडेशन. एंड आई हैव सेव्ड द बेस्ट फॉर द लास्ट. इज दिस Charlotte Tilbury का प्लम बिग लिप प्लम गैजम. तो इसका ऑलरेडी एक शेड मेरे पास है, एंड आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड अ न्यू शेड, एंड दिस इज मोर लाइक अ goldenish shade. Look at the packaging, and this is how it looks. कोई भी लिपस्टिक हो, कुछ भी हो, उसके ऊपर आप ये ग्लॉस लगा लेंगे and you are sorted. Finally मैंने अपना ये लॉन्ग हॉल कंप्लीट कर लिया है. सुबह से लेके मुझे दोपहर को मैंने शुरू किया था और रात हो गई है. So but anyways, I am very happy. I hope you all enjoyed the video as much as I did. And वीडियो खत्म हो गई है, लेकिन हमारा सफर खत्म नहीं हुआ है. So please support my channel by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, I request you to please subscribe and do participate in the giveaway, because you shouldn't miss that. And as I always say, stay happy and stay hydrated.